everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I wanted to share a haul video. I went to a couple of yard sales and a rummage sale and a Goodwill. So I wanted to share with you all the crafty goodness that I picked up. The first thing, I found these at the dollar store. These are the discs to make your own happy planners, which I make my own. So I grabbed a couple of these. And I think they're actually like $1.20. I found this, and this is the paper that goes in with these discs. It's just a brand new notepad, and it was 99 cents, and I got this at Goodwill. And then this scrapbooking carrier, it's just a plastic 12 by 12, and inside it was $2.49, and then it was 25% off. Was a bunch of like scrapbooking paper. Most of it is cardstock. There are a couple of pattern papers, which I have like this paper pad, so I'm just going to pass these ones that I wouldn't use along because I already have those. But the it had a lot of good colored cardstock, so picked that up, plus the container. That was a pretty good deal. So I picked up that. I'm going to put this down on the floor though. Okay, so a couple of yard sales. The first thing that I got are these clear boxes. There's a huge stack of them. This is what it looks like made. And this stack was just $1. What a great deal. Then this tissue paper, and it had these tags in it. This is part of like a big just pile that I had. So this was in the pile, so tissue paper and some tags. And then it had this cute Mickey Mouse lined paper. This looks like vintagey to me. It's kind of yellowed. But yeah, super cute. This is going to go into my Disney box for my pen pals. And then these envelopes, they're Garfield. They're not even open. Let's see. Does it have a date? I love to look at dates, but this one doesn't have it. Anyway, it's Garfield. You know how old that is. And then I found the Garfield pad. How fun is that? So I have a writing set. This is going to be so fun for pen paling. I love this vintage type of stuff. So that was included in the set. This was different. Okay, then these colored staples. I collect staplers, and I love staples, and I love the colors on craft projects. It just gives it that like extra little touch. And this is the eyelets from Stampin' Up, so a container of those. These Christmas stickers. Doesn't say when they're from, does it? Nope. But there's 4 sheets in there. And then this funny Don't Be a Weenie, and it's like little hot dog cards. How fun is that? So this is like perfect for junk journaling. I wish that like all of the envelopes, you know, there were more of these envelopes because these are so funny. But yeah, this is all Hallmark stuff, but isn't that so cute? This is going to just go in my junk journaling pile. And then these, I remember having these as a kid. This was like how you gave out cash to people. Okay, yeah, look at this, guys. 1986. How awesome is that? So I found one green, and then I found the red ones. And oh, they're just so vintage and beautiful. I love them. Going in my stash of vintage and Christmas supplies. And then I found these receipt envelopes. I thought this was like so cool. You know, it opens up and you put the money in there. That's just awesome. 2 of those. And then these postcards. let's see, there's like one of those dates, but I don't know off the top of my head what that is. But we have this set, and these are never opened. These are just great to share and to put in junk journals. This one was open. Yeah, so happy with these. And just a regular plain postcard. And then all of these vintage Valentines. Aren't they just the sweetest? So a whole set of these larger ones. Oh, look, this one's written on. How funny. Let's see. Are these? Nope, these are all plain. Yeah, super cute. And then, oh my gosh, these were the kind of Valentines that, like, I remember, like, receiving when I was younger. Look at that one. So, yeah, these are so fun. Spooky clown. Yeah, so happy with these. And these ones had the envelopes. They're obviously really old, but I think, like to put in junk journals, they're kind of perfect. So super happy with that. Oh, and then I also, from that same selection, no, that was different. Oh, this, it's just a roller date stamp. So all of the postcards and vintage papers, it was $2. Wow, I know, $2. And then we went to a rummage sale that was in one of the local communities. And it was great. They had it in like their ballroom in the community center. And I found this. This is like a billboard display. It's let me see if I can come down with this. It's 4x8 and it is amazing. So what year? I found the year when I opened it. It was like this. This is amazing. It's like a Christmas actual billboard setup, and it has the instructions, and I know the date is on here somewhere. Let me pull it out because I looked and I saw the date. Yeah, this is like amazing. I think it was 1959. And like these are the letters where you could put your business name. It was 25 cents. I originally bought it because I'm like, oh, I'm gonna cut these giant like billboard pieces, like because it's Christmas themed, to make like a junk journal cover. But you know what, now I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh yeah, guys, look at this. 1959. Is that crazy? I mean, to me, it's crazy that, yeah, from 1959. It's what, 2022. 25 cents. That's how much I got this for. Yeah, now I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So, it'll probably just stay in my hoarded stash forever. And then I grabbed this baggie of little buttons and trim pieces. That was also 25 cents. And Creative Memories, I got this little corner rounder that makes this design. It was 25 cents. And Double Heart Punch, oh my gosh, I am dying. Creative Memories, 25 cents. Wow, these were such good scores. I was so happy when I found those. I also got a monitor for work, but I left that in my car. Okay, then I went to a yard sale, and let me move this stuff over. Look at this. This is the, holds the 4x6 photos. I use it for, like, my Halloween and my baby stash. So I have another one of these in the case. It's new. They had it priced at $10. I offered them $5, and they took it. Yes. Can you believe that? I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm going to have to think about it. I'm also, you know, going to have to find a spot for it. That's probably going to be my biggest challenge. But, yeah, I'm super excited. I'm looking up in my rafters up that way, because, you know, that's where I keep all my seasonal things. and I'm not going to be able to fit it up there. So yeah, I'm not sure. You know me, I will find a place. Okay, I'm going to move this to the side because I got one other thing. So in the corner of my craft room, I keep like my wrapping paper, like my long, tall ones, because I don't really have a spot in the house. And if I wrap anything, I do it here on my craft counter. So they had a display. The guy gave it to me for free, and it's a display rack. So I'm showing you sideways. It would normally just like stand up like this. And then inside, whoops, inside it holds the wrapping paper upright. So I'm going to try and wedge this here. I'm going to take my camera down. Whoops. Okay, so I'm going to try. So this is my corner that I keep my spare Cricut machine. This is someone else's buckets, my card display holder. But if you look back here, that's where I have like my wrapping paper and my clear cellophane. So I'm going to try and reorganize this to fit this rack, as you can see right here, in its place. So, okay guys, that's my crafty haul. I had so much fun. Look at all this goodness for like $2. Amazing. That's my crafty haul. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Have a great day.